Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this error. Here you can see it, Windows cannot install required files. The file might be corrupt or missing. Make sure all files required for installation are available and restart the installation. So, why you can see this error? This error may be caused by your RAM or hard drive. So you just need to check your hard drive, your RAM. There are many utilities you can apps you can which helps you to check it. And another reason why you can see this message is that you just have your installation of Windows fails. So you just need to try to find another disk with operation system, or if you install Windows from USB flash, you just need to find another version of operation system and try to install another version of operation system, because you know that it can be caused by files that are corrupt in your version of Windows. And if it's caused by these files corrupted, you just after checking your hard drive, you will have no issues. That's why you just need to find another version of operation system and try to install this new version. And also you can try to restart, but I don't think that you have fixed it by restarting your computer, but also you can try it. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.